MYO down 40.03%. This is Tuesday, the 12th of August, 2025. Intraday low in this session is 0.95. It has actually recovered somewhat, now at 1.0555. The loss at some point was up to 42%. The company revised its 2025 revenue forecasts and posted quarterly losses that were worse than what Wall Street expected. The company also cited a couple of headwinds. Weaker lead quality was one of them. Marketing for efforts brought in fewer high intent prospects, leading to slower patient acquisition, slower conversion rates. Those leads didn't convert. The qualified leads didn't convert on time, and then rising costs. On the earnings front, the company reported wider than expected losses per share, underscoring its growth strategy still heavily in the investment phase and vulnerable to execution challenges. So the bears point out that there's a persistent cash burn, unpredictable sales cycles in the medical device market, and the risk of further dilution if the company needs to raise capital is always there. And then bulls argue that the underlying technology remains innovative. The market for wearable rehab robotics is still in its early innings, and the execution missteps can be corrected with more targeted sales and marketing. So lower prices, are they expected to keep printing? Yeah, up till Thursday the 14th, and then after that we might see what looks like a consolidation that might entail a distributive contraction thereafter, maybe from the 11th of September. No guarantee that that will be the case. That's still far ahead, almost a month from today. Let's see what we have in terms of projections. We have very low projections down here, 0.2117, and some negative values indicating that yeah, some really low prices are expected to. It has a prospect to even print lower prices. But before now, we had 2.21 as of Friday the 18th of July. Before that, there was also 2.61, 3.27, 3.91, 4.32, 4.58. These were as of the 11th of June. Let's see now what we have. Setting pressure, yes, everything's ramped up. Nothing, no support in sight, indicating that, yeah, the prospect of lower prices printing is still very much there. Let's quickly have a look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, okay, sideways movement up till Wednesday the 13th, and then after that we might have a bounce. No guarantee that that will be the case. And we have nothing to the downside, unlike what we have on the daily chart. We have 1.36 as of today, and that was also the case yesterday. We have yesterday we only had 1.46, 1.61, 1, 1.4, 1.36, 1.46, 1.61. So the stock has been in a downtrend. I forgot to mention for like since when, maybe going all the way back to May. So strongly bearish, seriously strongly bearish. We've seen high prices. We've seen $4 and some fraction on the we saw $4 and some fraction on the daily charts. Here we have 2.43, 2.34, 2.49. Yeah, I think lower prices are likely to keep printing. Here as well, the selling pressure is also magnified. Nothing, no bottom in sight. Yeah. So just be careful out there with MYO, and let's see how things go. Thank you very much for watching this video.